Friends, in this video, I will show how to add a signature in Gmail, so let's start. After opening my internet browser, click on Gmail to log into my account. Click Compose for new mail, and I can't see any signature in the mail body. Let's see how we can add an auto signature in the mail body. Go to the Settings options. Click See All Settings. Scroll down below in the General tab and go to the Signature options. We can see there is no signature add-in signature options. Now, click Create New and type the signature name and click Create. Signature name created. Now type signature beside this box. Friends, after typing thanks and regards, now I will upload an image file as a signature. Click Insert Image, and select image from your device or drive. I select an image from my drive, and upload as a signature. We can customize signature text, size, color, and background from here. Now, set the signature default for new mail, replay, and forward mail from the below options. Select and insert signature before the quoted text. After this, click on Save Changed. Now, click on Compose for new mail, and we can see that my attached default signature is showing in the mail body. Friends, I hope, after watching this video, now you can easily add a default signature in your Gmails. Please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.